Talking about content-driven cinema, Maddock की बात कर रहे हैं, T series की बात कर रहे हैं, Hindi medium, Noor, Rabta. So please, your views on the same.
See, as I told you, Dino has passion for films, cinema from long, and he always used to tell me whenever I used to discuss with him that our film should have some connect, some reality-based things to it which people can connect to. Sure. So that is the thing which got us connected. Both passion for making the content-driven cinema, which is very in these days. Everybody wants to see films which are connected to their lives or some real life incidents and all. So that's a connect, and that's why we are together with. And obviously, the music is the main passion which we both share.
Right. Thank you so much. Sushant, this one's for you. ट्रेलर में हमने देखा शुरू में ही कृति ने ऐसा कुछ चीजी बोल दिया कि भाई तुम तो यार चीजी का सहारा ले रहे हो. So was it रियल लाइफ में कभी ऐसा चीजी डायलॉग्स चिपकाने पड़े, वो was it your good looks की काम हो जाता था?
नहीं क्या क्या जिस तरीके का कैरेक्टर शिव का है, बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते थे मुझे अपनी लाइफ में जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाता हूँ रात को और फिर हम लोग मजे करते हैं. तो मैं अपने बहुत कम ऐसे मौके होते हैं जब मैं अपने आप को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड कर रहा होता हूँ और आई वॉन्ट टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट कैरेक्टर, लेकिन वो सुबह सुबह फिर चला जाता है. तो आई यूज टू मिस माई दैट पार्ट ऑफ माई सेल्फ, बट शिव इज एग्जैक्टली दैट. So here was an opportunity to be my interesting self for 6-7 months at a stretch, and I was getting paid for it. So that was a great thing.
Yeah, please.
So when we started shooting, much before that, so Shiv talks a lot about himself, is in love with himself. Also Maro's a lot of cheesy lines. So this guy had already started doing that, and I was like, you're really like Shiv. So he's like, no. This is not me. मैं शिव बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मैं कैरेक्टर में घुस रहा हूँ. पिक्चर खत्म हो चुकी है, 1 साल हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी ये कैरेक्टर में ही है. So that is exactly him. And I think probably this was one character that he played which was so him, and he used to just tell us that no, I'm just getting to the method of it.
So, and you're making chocolates in this, right?
Yes, I made chocolates.
Right. So did you find your way into his heart through chocolates? ऐसा chocolates बना के कुछ ऐसा in the movie?
You just have to show chocolate. That's all.
Really?
Like he's this. So the way he reacts to ice creams, chocolates, and little babies is the same.
Okay.
Like that.
So now you know the secret, guys, huh?
The easiest thing to pataw him, or if you want him to just like you and not be like mean to you or whatever, is to give him chocolates and ice creams.
Chocolates, ice creams, and bachas. वो बोला.
But that you can. What?
Okay, cut it. किसी ने कुछ नहीं सुना. Jim, this one's for you. इससे पहले we've seen you play this terrorist का character, and people just loved you. Here you playing this stylish character. Please tell us something about that. एकदम ये transformation from a terrorist to this stylish guy.
Well, I wasn't actually a terrorist. Like I dress like this.
Okay, in
so
real
it
life.
wasn't a transformation.
So you're very stylish, you mean to say.
I mean, I have clothes.
Terrorists also wear clothes.
Yeah, but terrorists, I only
They wear
want one.
different clothes.
Yeah, I only want one outfit in the.
Okay, talking about your character in this movie.
He's a rich guy. He's a rich guy. He's cool.
Love playing that.
I know. I don't know. I don't know if I love anything. I like the other one as well. He's a rich guy. He has lots of money to spend. He handpicks all of his stuff. He's like that.
We got it, right? We got it. So I'm sure.
Yeah, I answered your question.
Yeah, he did.
You want to know more about my character in general?
They would love to know, and I'll also, be a part of the conversation.
I think he's a guy who knows exactly what he wants and has all of the resources at his disposal to go and get it.
All right. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's over to you. I know you have a lot of questions. So, G, please.
Dinesh. You can keep it. Here. Dinesh, here. On your right.
Yeah.
Hi. How was the experience directing Sushant and Kriti? Especially since Sushant is he's a method actor and it's your debut film. So
Actually, I tried to get the method out of him, for which we fed him a lot of chocolates. We distracted him with a lot of things. The first day he's such a good student. He came with 6 pages of his entire character ka sketch, where it started, and then I said, "Isko chhod dete zero time." And my entire intent with this character was I knew there's a little bit of Shiv in him, and then I realized it's a lot of Shiv in him actually. He just hides it, and I wanted to bring that out. And I think it was the thing is we spent a lot of time together before we started the movie. So we were for 2 months workshopping, and I think they knew the script as well as I did. And it was a very collaborative process where when we were on set, we actually shot this film very quickly. I think we did about 60, 61 days. That's also because my elder sister is the production head and she feels that I spent too much money. So she was kind of... But it was very easy. It was a lot of fun.
हाय सुशांत, मेरा नाम आलोक है, आपके लिफ्ट में सवाल है, ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री हमने देखी, ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री कैसी है आपकी कृति की?
केमिस्ट्री तो केमिस्ट्री होती है ऑन स्क्रीन लेकिन हाँ, हम लोग ये भी इंजीनियर है, मैं भी इंजीनियर, हम दोनों दिल्ली से हैं। और
आप भी इंजीनियर हो?
आप भी इंजीनियर हो? आप भी आ जाओ केमिस्ट्री में। तो और दिल्ली से हैं तो बड़ी सारी बातें कॉमन थी जो बातें कर सकते थे। और
ऐसे ही है केमिस्ट्री जैसी दिख रही है एक्चुअली।
जी, तो ऐसी है।
कृति, इसकी लाइन है एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड, तो इससे आप कितना इत्तेफाक रखती हैं?
I really feel like everything, like I feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And, it's so strange that before I had signed Hero Panti, I had met him for something, generally, where he had narrated me the first scene of Rabta when the story was not developed. Like he was still working on it. And he had narrated me the first chocolate shop scene of this girl and boy and how they strangely feel connected. So it's like I had not even started films back then. And then after so many years doing this film, and that too in a random meeting, just feeling that connect with the script. So everything is connected.
दिनेश, आपसे सवाल है कि खबरें थी, हमने तस्वीरें भी देखी थी कि दीपिका भी इसमें एक खास गीत करने वाली हैं।
वो आपने लास्ट शॉट देखा, कोई एक बंदा था, वो एक्चुअली दीपिका है। दीपिका है मेरे लिए, आई ऑलवेज कंसिडर दीपिका वेरी लकी फॉर मी। जब भी हमने कुछ साथ में काम किया है, वो मेरे लिए और उनके लिए वर्क किया है। सो जब मैंने उन्हें एक फ़ोन किया, और उन्होंने एक्चुअली ये ओरिजिनल ट्रैक मेरी एक दूसरी पिक्चर से था जिसको प्रीतम ने रिक्रिएट किया है। तो मैंने उन्हें एक बार मुझे फ़ोन किया था बहुत 4-5 साल पहले कि ये आपकी पिक्चर का गाना है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो मैंने उन्हें फ़ोन किया, बोला कि नो कंपल्शन, बट आप लकी हो मेरे लिए, तो राब्ता का टाइटल ट्रैक आप करेंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वाज शी सेड यस। उसके बाद कुछ नहीं, सीधा बुदापेस्ट था, शूट कर लिया। सो विद हर देयर इज अ कंफर्ट लेवल आल्सो।
भूषण जी, किस तरीके का म्यूजिक आप प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं ऑडियंस के लिए इस फिल्म के द्वारा, क्योंकि दिनेश भी म्यूजिकली काफी अच्छे साउंड करते हैं?
See, इसमें we have Pritam and as I told you, there Dinesh, and we share that music का connect. तो म्यूजिक तो जबरदस्त होना ही है।
hello.
सुशांत, आशी हियर फ्रॉम म्यूजिक इंडिया। सुशांत, लास्ट फिल्म आपकी जो थी 100 CR क्रॉस की थी, इस फिल्म को लेके कुछ टेंशन है हल्का सा सक्सेस को लेके?
सर, वो 100 CR मुझे तो मिले नहीं। तो जो पैसे की बात है वो शूट के पहले ही मैं कर लेता हूँ, और उसके बाद मैं पैसों के बारे में सोचता नहीं। तो मेरा काम जो होता है वो एंजॉय करना होता है जब मैं काम कर रहा होता हूँ, और होप करना होता है कि जब आप फिल्म देंगे तो आप भी एंजॉय करें। तो मैं वही कर रहा हूँ।
Hello. Yeah. इधर, right. मेरा सवाल है कि ये जो राब्ता वाली फीलिंग है, ये नेगेटिव में भी आती है कि ओनली पॉजिटिव में आती है? मतलब लव में ही आती है कि वो हेट वाला जो पिछली जिंदगी में होता है वो भी आता है?
मुझे लगता है कि जो ग्रेटेस्ट विलन्स या द डार्केस्ट इमोशन प्यार से ही आता है। अभी जब प्यार टूटता है तो उसको आप कैसे लेते हैं डिफाइंस आप कौन है। सो अगर बहुत सारा प्यार नहीं हो तो बहुत सारी नफरत हो ही नहीं सकती। तो मुझे लगता है नफरत भी प्यार से कनेक्टेड है।